In order to succeed, your desire for success should be greater than your fear for failure. I have tried 99 times and have failed, but on the 100th time came success. Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. Education is not the learning of the facts, but the training of the mind to think. Any man who reads too much and uses his own brain too little falls into lazy habits of thinking. The attempt to combine wisdom and power has only rarely been successful, and then only for a short while. The definition of genius is taking the complex and making it simple. Genius simply cannot be reduced to a set of rules for anyone to follow. Anyone can be a genius, if they pick just one specific subject and study it diligently just 15 minutes each day.
Please support us by doing subscribe our channel.